guys, what's up? I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a grip. Just wanted to say I hope you are all being safe, social distancing, and staying home and being wary of this virus. I know it's really scary and a lot's going on right now, so I just hope you're all safe and trying to stay healthy and just trying to be aware of everything going around us. I wanted to do a fun spring makeup tutorial. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rose. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe down below, like this video if you enjoy it, and turn on that bell so you always know when I'm posting a new video. And yeah, let's just get straight on into it. First, moisturize my lips. They've been super chapped because of the weather. I also already applied moisturizer to my face. I've been really loving the Ole Henriksen vitamin C Rush cream. It smells so fresh, like oranges, vitamin C, and it's just a really good moisturizer. I really love it. It's also brightening, so it kind of gives you that like bright, fresh look. This is a lightweight, easy, effortless spring makeup tutorial, so I'm not going to be using foundation. Lately, I've just skipped that altogether. This is just my go-to primer. Always get the neck. Next, I am going to be taking, this is my new favorite concealer. It is the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer in the shade Vanilla 120. So I'm just going to apply under my eyes, on my eyelids, and any sparse areas. And then I am going to blend it out with my e.l.f. Beauty Blender. And then I'm going to be going in with my Kylie translucent powder in the shade Banana or Yellow. Now that I have applied all of my concealer and my translucent powder, I just take a little extra and I just run it around my oily areas. So up here, my T-zone, my nose, kind of under my eyes, and my chin. So really everywhere. I kind of get pretty oily. I have combination skin. Gotta cover up those grease spots, baby. Now I'm going to take my Fit Me Set and Smooth powder. I use this a lot too, you guys have seen in the past. And I am just taking my big buff brush and I'm just going to apply some powder all over my face to kind of set the concealer and just have an overall, you know, one color finish. Now that the powder is all applied, I am going to be doing my brows. Nothing new here again. I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade Soft Brown. I'm just gonna do these really fast. Okay, so now that the brows are all done, I am going to warm up my face with some bronzer. I'm going to be taking my Hoola bronzer. Love this. Warm it up. Super important too, people sometimes don't make sure to get it up in their hairline. You don't want to have that harsh line, so just make sure to do that. I'm also obsessed with nose contour, so I just kind of run along the sides of my nose, really trying to get here and kind of slim it down. And it really makes a big difference. So especially for me, someone with a big schnozzle. So I know it looks a little crazy now. Now I'm going to take my big buffing brush and I'm kind of going to make those harsh lines go away. Now that I am all bronzed, I am going to be taking my Milani Sunglow Luminescence Strobelight Instant Glow Powder. Not sure what it's called. I really haven't tried this. I'm just going to take a little and kind of put it on my cheeks. It will kind of act as a highlight and kind of just glowing up the face. Time for the eyes. I know this may seem a little strange, but I really do think that it's a good way to kind of have like a natural, soft spring makeup look, but not let it be too harsh. I'm actually going to be taking this blush palette from Makeup Revolution. The blush palette is called Hot Spice, and I'm going to be going in with this color. It's really gonna turn out good, but we'll see. Running that through my crease. blending out the edges. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I don't know, it's just very spring vibey to me. I am done applying the blush to the lid. Now I am going to take my blush brush and I'm going to apply the same blush to my cheeks. So it just kind of fits with the whole vibe. This is a very rosy look, fitting because my name is Rose. I love to apply blush to my nose. The good thing about this look is that you can really do it with any blush. So you could use any one of these blushes, apply it to the lid and kind of tie it all together with putting it on your cheeks, or you could go in with more of a shimmery blush if you like a shimmery look. Now I am going to go in with my highlight. I love the Liquid Glow highlighter Anastasia Beverly Hills in bronze. I'm going to take this, dab a little bit on my finger, the tiniest amount. That was way too much. And I'm going to be applying it on the cheekbones. So I'm taking this and I'm applying it and rubbing it in. This definitely adds some color to your face. So if you're really light skinned, I would suggest using the lighter shade. You guys can see the highlight. And then on the other side, doing the same thing. Just making sure that everything is patted in because you don't want to see those dots on your face. Okay, there's the glow. Now I'm going to be taking my favorite Great Lash from Maybelline mascara and I'm just going to be applying that very quickly on the top and bottom lashes. My mascara is done. Lastly, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Pro Glow To Go palette and literally I have nothing left. I'm using like the crevices to apply some highlight to my Cupid's bow, the middle of my nose, and under my eyebrows. While I let my mascara dry, I'm going to do my lips and then we will set everything. I feel like this shade really matches the blush color, if you guys can see. So I'm gonna be going in with the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. It's Ellery's Collection times ColourPop and it's in the shade Netta. I don't have any lip liner right now, so I'm just gonna be going in with this. Gonna go in with a little bit more. I really love this lip too because I feel like it ties in perfectly with the blush color that I applied to my eyelids. So I just really love how everything tied together in this look. Now I am just going to set so it stays all day. I'm taking my NYX Matte Finish setting spray. This is so amazing and it's so cheap. Just dry it off and voila. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. I really love how everything turned out. I feel like this is such a great go-to spring look to just apply some blush to the eyes, the cheeks, and find a lip color to match. It's such spring vibes. It just really gives you like that rosy pink spring vibe feel and just makes me really happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely gonna be doing this look a lot when we can finally enjoy the warm weather and all that stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what types of videos or content you want me to make, and I will definitely take all of your advice and tips in mind. But yeah, I love the way this turned out. It's very, very rosy and very my vibe. I will catch you guys in my next video.